Hello and welcome to this introduction to the Lundhs natural stone objects available for the BIM authoring system ArchiCAD. So here from within the ArchiCAD app I search for Lundhs real stone. First of all, what we're going to do here is place out a floor. So if you see here, the product page contains description information, related information, classifications about the object, reasons, as well as properties which can be added to the object post placement with the integrated BIMobject app. So here we've downloaded two files. One is the macro and one is the GSM files. To work with these objects, you need to download the macro file, which only needs to download once. So now we've loaded up the floor. In addition to the macro file, here we can control the settings. So here we have thickness settings, finishes, as well as the dimensions and the object specific properties listed here, which are also available for listing from within ArchiCAD. So once we've confirmed the settings of the objects, we go ahead and place that out into a project. And we'll just resize this to shape. And of course, with all ArchiCAD objects, post placement, you simply go back into the object settings to reconfigure the object's material, finishes, dimensions, and of course if you load up other floor materials or walls or countertops, as we will look at next, you can then change the actual material object to another material. Something else to mention about these objects, they've been developed with the correct lighting information, so you can take these to something like Cinema 4D and get very accurate renderings of these products. So next what we're going to do here is place out a wall. So we're just loading the wall. Again, we only need to download the macro once. We've already downloaded it into this project file, so there's no need to download that again. So I simply go to the product page here, choose the GSM file, and that will load in the wall to this project. Then I just go ahead and place that out, and I'll just confirm its positioning, and there it is placed out there for us. And we can then go ahead and take a look at the third type of object available in this release, which is the countertops. So here we'll select one of the countertops available, and again we simply download the GSM file, and this is automatically loaded into our project ready for placement. So we'll just place this out roughly here and then move it into its position. Now once I've got this placed, I'll go into the settings and then make adjustments to the countertop's geometry and materials. So here we'll just adjust the length. We'll change the finish here. I think we're okay with the type. We'll change one side to a angled and one to rounded here. And we'll just confirm those changes. Now using the hotspots here, we can adjust the curvature of the rounded end, or in this case what I'm going to show you here is the angle of the straight end. Lastly, what I would like to show is the option we have here within the ArchiCAD objects is to create a opening within the surface of the countertop here. You simply select the amount of openings you want within the countertop, and then you move its placement using the hotspot. You just simply confirm that in ArchiCAD, and then you have your object ready to add a sink or any other type of product which needs a hole cut in the surface of the countertop. So these objects are ready for download now on BIMobject.com. Thank you very much for watching.